Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Check iOS and back up your device. Updates fix many notification bugs. Once done, make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb is off, or add messages as an exception. Now open Settings, go to Notifications, then Messages. Confirm Allow Notifications is on and choose Banners for immediate alerts. This starts the fix, because many issues are just toggles or outdated software preventing alerts from appearing. Next, refine message-specific controls so alerts behave predictably. In Notifications, Messages enable sounds, badges, and show previews to ensure visibility and audio. Then open the Messages app, swipe into a thread, tap Contact Name, and make sure Notify Me or Alerts aren't muted. Use Repeat Alerts if you miss the first tone. Also, set emergency bypass or specific tones for priority contacts. This ensures you'll get notified even during focus modes or when silent is active. Finish by refreshing connections and settings so notifications can resume. Restart the iPhone and toggle airplane mode to force a network reconnect. Push alerts rely on a working network. If issues persist, reset network settings, and if necessary, reset all settings. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords but keeps data. Once done, sign out and back into your Apple ID or restore from backup to rebuild notification services. If still broken, key troubleshooting. Test with a different SIM or device to isolate carrier versus device faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.